Okay, and now it's country number 2. We just exited Hungary, Köszönöm, and now going to Slovenia with our lovely ride.
Thank you for taking us.
No problem. Very big voyage around the world. I think we'll be gone for 2 years, and it's only day 2 now. And we went to Balaton, and now we go visit friends in Maribor.
Ja do Lukovce, tam do Moravca.
One man stopped her and he didn't want to put her in Lukovica.
And then just pa sem pa to kupila.
We go to disco.
That's how we started to hitchhike, because in the night there was no public transport, so we always hitchhike back from the club to our house. Okay, we made it to Maribor. Woo!
It's raining, man.
It's raining so much, and now we're going up here. It's called Pyramid, and supposedly there is a nice view on the whole city.
If there is a view.
If there's a view. We had the most amazing people that drove us all the way from the Hungarian Slovenian border right into the city center. And yeah, they had to go to Ljubljana, but still they dropped us in the city center of Maribor. So thank you guys so much. And
Shout out.
yeah, hope that you stay safe and healthy. Lovely. Beautiful Maribor.
We made it to the top. Tomorrow the weather should get better. We are in the city center. Classic for the day, raining again. And we're gonna stroll around a little bit more and then walk to our couchsurfing host. And we're very looking forward to it because we are ready to get dry again.
And we got the whole Maribor city center for ourselves, as it's raining 24/7, and it's a holiday here in Slovenia, so all the supermarkets are closed, which means we have to eat another whole day or beloved dates.
But there's not much left.
So we are just crossing the river Drava, which is going through major cities in Austria as well, and then later going into the Danube in Hungary, if I'm not mistaken. And now we'll go here to have a nice view of the old town.
Wow.
Yeah. This means I cannot point out one thing.
Yeah.
All was great, and even the people. I hosted a country ambassador of it.
Okay, good morning from Maribor.
Stay 3.
Yeah,
We're in
we're
Slovenia.
excited. The sun is finally shining. And we are in the garden of our couchsurfing host.
We had a really lovely host
Yeah.
yesterday, and she hosted another guy from India, and we had a lovely evening.
Yeah, we talked like for 5 hours. And and yeah, and it made us think of a new YouTube format.
Yeah, we came up with an idea to like quickly introduce you to
All the cool people we meet.
yeah, the most interesting people, and yeah, so stay tuned for that.
It's called 10 Minutes With.
Exactly so.
And we're gonna interview the most interesting people we meet during our travels and ask them 5 to 10 questions. I don't know. Yeah.
10 euro for women. Good thing, right?
Yeah. I don't have checklist like I need to visit every monument or every thing in the city. I just want to visit people, meet people. That's it. No problem. Okay. So our hosts were kind enough, since they are picking up a friend from Ljubljana airport. Now they bring us to Ljubljana, and that's where we're gonna meet another friend. We were not supposed to go there, but the chance came up, so we had to take it.
Destiny.
as we said, it's our third day, and just to give you an overview about our spendings, because it's obviously many people are interested in how much we spend and how we can afford to travel. We did take some food with us from Austria, but it's only at the third day that we spent the first euro, because now we ran out of food and had to buy some carrots and stuff. But there was nothing. We don't pay for the transportation. We don't pay for accommodation. Steady.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, Jubel. You see all the rocks coming down from there. Pretty dangerous. But we're on the safe side.
Und eins.
Meine Haare.
So we now came back from the waterfall, and Blaz is showing us. Blaz is, by the way, a friend from Vienna. I hosted him, and now he's like kind of returning the favor, and he's showing us this crazily beautiful farm here in the outskirts of Ljubljana. And yeah, we're more than happy to be here. So thanks again, Hola. And his dog Gaia is a legend, because every time she feels hot she goes through every puddle on the way and is completely muddy after that. And then there's also this cat. She was born in a shed, and apparently she's been there all her life and she never went down. So now she's always meowing for food, and everyone brings her the food up, but she's never been down there, so that's quite fun.
Good morning, day 4.
Hello!
We are now leaving
Trzin! We're leaving our friend Blaz. You can see the mountains in the background. Beautiful. And now we're trying to get to Zagreb, not via the highway, but via a big detour, but a much more scenic road. And
hopefully.
yeah, can't wait for it. We already got a couchsurfing host. I don't know if I'm screaming now, but the background noise is quite loud, so excuse me for that. We have a host in Zagreb already, so Croatia, here we come.
That's alright. She loves the pedestrian walk. Sorry, when she picked us up, she also drove on the pedestrian way. It was so funny.
Now. Hey, Krishna. Now we there was a guy who took us with him, and he only wanted to go
Like 10 kilometers.
no, it was less.
Really?
It was 4 kilometers.
Oh, far.
And we told him we wanted to go towards Litia, and he just dropped us here now, and it's like a half-hour detour for him, but he was very happy. He was a hitchhiker himself in his youth. That's most of the people that take us are hitchhikers themselves, or were. And yeah,
And he was so kind and sweet, and goodbye was very hard.
yeah, he was quite sad to let us go.
Yeah. 360 meters high.
And this very nice lady brought this very nice lady and me
And this very nice man.
to the highest, so we were told, chimney in Europe. Wow.
Climbing route, and it's the hardest climbing route, artificial climbing route in the world.
Yeah, there was Janja Gamret, a very famous Slovenian climber, and she climbed it.
Right?
We will stop here because we need to go down and you go here. Yeah, Zidane.
So, what are you doing?
Going around, and we want to visit a friend in Zagreb, and we were in Ljubljana, but we didn't want to take the big highway, you know, because big highway is boring.
Znajo naš,
A ne znaju.
a gonimo pičku maternu.
We're having our lunch break here. So nice. Woo! Think Bernie is gonna take a swim. And I think I'm not. Knackert. Dann filme ich es auch nicht. And cut. How is the water?
Now we can enjoy for lunch what we dumpstered yesterday. It's potica. Apparently it's a quite famous Slovenian dessert. And yeah, now we can try it.
Okay, and we are trying to get a car to the Slovenian-Croatian border, but we think that it's gonna be hard because no one is gonna cross the border to Croatia here.
And we are free for yeah, and that's why we like to go for a drive to
So
see.
it's really no problem for you.
Really no
We appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, you
Thank you
help
guys
us
so
out
much.
a lot.
Yeah, that when we were at it was Vienna.
Okay, another lovely couple picked us up and brought us right to the border.
Thank you guys,
So-
if you're listening to this.
So yeah, it's country number 3. We just entered Croatia, and now we're on our way to the capital. So let's hope that it doesn't take too long, because we have a couch surfer to meet, and yeah, can't wait.